Artificial intelligence, machine learning, deep learning. For anyone who's not a data scientist, the terms associated with computing's next big wave can be pretty confusing. But at the most basic level, the relationship between these three key concepts is fairly simple. Artificial intelligence refers to the broad category of computing in which a system is capable of learning directly from data, a capability made possible by the advent of data analytics and applied either through a set of rules that are evolved over time through human intervention with the system, or increasingly through the process of machine learning, in which the system expands its ability to process and use information without the need for additional human intervention. While the broader concept of artificial intelligence has been around since the 1950s, it was the introduction of machine learning in the 80s that brought the first real wave of significant advancements to the field. Then, as computational performance reached a tipping point in the last decade, a new wave of even more dramatic breakthroughs began to gather momentum. Deep learning is a branch or subset of machine learning that leverages those computational advantages and a set of new techniques, such as neural networks, to make sense of and learn from even larger amounts of data. The result has been an impressive acceleration in the progress of elusive artificial intelligence capabilities. Capabilities like image, speech, and natural language recognition that promise to have a significant positive impact on our everyday lives. The emergence of deep learning also serves as a reminder that the technology and techniques for achieving the full potential of artificial intelligence are not static, but will continue to evolve